Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Thor Palazzo 37.6. So this is the Thor Palazzo 37.6, which is a Class A diesel motorhomes, bunk beds with 2 full bathrooms. Pretty awesome. What I love about the Palazzo is the price point. This is going to be their entry-level motorhome, and it's going to be an awesome price point. Right here we have a bunk over the cab that drops down that holds 500 pounds. Right here in the cockpit area, when the bed goes up, you got a nice computer tray to work with a Freightliner chassis. The cabinetry is big and huge in here. I love the way it looks, and you actually have adjustable shelves. Beautiful windows right here, daytime shades and privacy shades. Right here you have a sofa which sits directly across from the TV. The TV's right there, that's above the dinette. The dinette does have solid surface tabletops. That also drops down to make a bed, and let's say you have little ones, you have a car seat tether right there. Over here in the kitchen, induction cooktop, convection oven, solid surface countertops, very nice. To top it all off, you got a residential fridge and freezer right here. Over here, here's the bunk beds, okay? Really nice. Your tall kids can come with you. They even have tablet holders if they want to set up their tablet while they're laying down in bed. Right over here is the very first bathroom. That is a nice full bathroom with a shower tub. Okay, now here's where it gets good. This is for the non-paying customers. Mom and dad, the one making the monthly payment on this, has a huge bedroom back here. King size bed that is tilt up. A piece of artwork that I've never seen. Can somebody make this an NFT for me? And then over here, we got plenty of wardrobe space with a stackable Whirlpool washer and dryer. Super nice. To top this all off is this awesome bathroom. You have this huge one-piece fiberglass shower. You never find this in a motorhome this small. Right over here is the vanity, nice medicine cabinet, and there's a toilet that is in a perfect prime pooping position. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little tour of the Thor Palazzo 37.6. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is the motorhome that you're looking to buy, great. Click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.